You weren't supposed to end the year like this, quietly disappointed, carrying the weight of months that slipped away, knowing you could have done more, but somehow didn't. Not because you're incapable, but because life slowly pulled you off track. Days lost to distraction, nights lost to scrolling, plans delayed, promises postponed. And the hardest part isn't what others think. It's that deep down, you know you didn't show up as yourself. This is how potential fades. Not in one big failure, but in small moments of avoidance. And if people think you've fallen behind, let them. Because 2026 is your chance to make the greatest comeback of your life. This isn't about dramatic change. It's about quiet correction, reducing the noise, fewer apps, fewer excuses, fewer explanations, choosing one direction, one focus, one reason to take yourself seriously again. You don't need to announce anything. Real change doesn't make noise at the start. Mornings matter more than motivation ever will. Not because they're magical, but because they're honest. Before the world asks something from you, do something difficult on purpose. Move your body. Face the task you've been avoiding. Delay easy comfort, not as punishment, but as proof. There will be resistance. There will be days your mind looks for escape. That's not failure. That's the signal that change has started. This isn't about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. This is about identity. Becoming someone who finishes. Someone who shows up even when it's uncomfortable. No perfect moment is coming. No perfect Monday. There's only today and the next decision you make. Your comeback doesn't start loudly. It starts quietly. And it starts now. If this message moved you even a little, don't ignore it. Comment, "My comeback starts today." Before you scroll away, remember this. Every meaningful journey starts small. This channel is still growing just like you. If you felt even a spark, hit subscribe. Let's build something real. Quietly. Consistently.